Hello students, welcome to my channel. Hope all of you have visited my last videos, and today's my topic is covalent bond and its types. Covalent bond and types. As already you know the definition of bond, now here we will define covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed between the two atoms by mutual sharing of electrons. For example, if we can take hydrogen molecule, that means H single bond H. Here we can say this is a mutual sharing between the hydrogen and the hydrogen. This shared pair of electrons is known as the mutual sharing of electrons, and that is called the covalent bond. Secondly, the covalent bond will takes place in one, two, or three pairs of electrons. The covalent bond is formed between the two atoms of similar or dissimilar atoms by mutual sharing of electrons. of electrons. The symbolic representation of covalent bond is a small line. For example, hydrogen molecule. As we know, H single bond H. This single bond represents covalent bond. Now, the compounds formed by covalent bonds are known as covalent compounds. And this was the covalent bond. Now there are three types of covalent bonds. On the basis of electrons shared by two combining atoms, covalent bond has three types, and these three types are single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond. These are the three types of the covalent bond. We can define single covalent bond. A single covalent bond is formed between the two atoms with a single pair of electrons, with one or single pair of electrons. The symbolic representation of a single covalent bond is a small line. For example, hydrogen molecule. In bond formation, we can write down this H, single bond H. Here, this small line is a single covalent bond. So note the representation of covalent bond is a small line. The second one is double covalent bond. Double covalent bond is formed between the two atoms by two pairs of electrons. Two pairs of electrons. For example, oxygen molecule, that is O double bond O, and this double covalent bond is denoted by putting two small lies. The another type of the covalent bond is that is a triple bond. The another part of the covalent bond is the triple bond, in which three pairs of electrons share each other, and the triple covalent bond is denoted by small three lines. For example, nitrogen molecule, that is N triple bond N. This was the today's topic regarding the covalent bond and its types. Hope you will enjoy, and thank you.